Skip the waiting game and bring gourmet dessert to your kitchen with a sleek, high-performance ice cream maker designed for instant satisfaction. In just 30 minutes, this smart compressor model churns out creamy, indulgent ice cream without any need to pre-freeze bowls or plan ahead. Whether you're feeding a family or hosting guests, it comfortably makes 6 to 10 servings per cycle, ideal for spontaneous celebrations or weekly indulgences. Designed to roam your home with intelligence and care, the Rolla Pet Pal camera robot from Enabot is more than a pet cam. It's a watchful companion. With a stunning 2.5K QHD resolution, it delivers crystal clear video, ensuring you never miss a moment. Whether you're checking in on your cat's lazy stretch across the living room or your dog's excitement when hearing your voice, Pet Pal keeps you connected from anywhere. Its movable body glides across hardwood or carpet, covering every inch of your space. Slip it into your trunk, carry it on your back, or stash it in a closet. This is portability without compromise. The Lake Pro bundle from Oru Kayak gives you unmatched versatility for spontaneous adventures, designed for serene excursions across calm lakes, gentle rivers, or scenic bays. This ultralight folding kayak offers an effortless solution for beginners and experienced paddlers who value speed, simplicity, and compact travel. Go from packed to paddling in under 5 minutes. The V-Copter Falcon Mini offers a cutting-edge, compact design that combines advanced drone technology with superior flight performance. Engineered with a V-shaped bicopter configuration, this drone stands out for its unique structure and agility in the air. Powered by a robust 50-minute flight time, it allows users to capture breathtaking aerial shots with an impressive 4K video camera mounted on a stable 3-axis gimbal. The StylePi U Cable Pro offers seamless performance with up to 1 terabyte of TF expansion, transforming your device into a powerhouse of storage. Featuring a blazing fast 40 gigabits per second transfer rate through USB 4.0, it ensures data flows smoothly between devices, whether you're working on high-definition media or large files. With Power Delivery 3.1 support, it delivers up to 240 watts of power, easily meeting the energy demands of modern laptops and devices. Sculpt your strength without the boundaries of a gym. The Unitree Pump Max brings studio-level resistance training into your living room, your backyard, or wherever your day takes you. No bulky racks or dumbbells, just smart engineering packed into a sleek, portable device weighing under 2.4 pounds. The Pump Max features a built-in motor that adjusts resistance up to 44 pounds with precision, offering concentric and eccentric control so every rep counts. Anchor it to doors, furniture, or even your foot. It adapts to your environment effortlessly. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. In a world where your desk becomes your canvas, the Abus's Lamp Plus transforms daily interaction. It projects vivid content directly onto your tabletop, maintaining sharp clarity and definition. Every movement is seamless with natural touch control. Your finger becomes the mouse, responding effortlessly to each command. Beyond lighting, the wooden body serves as a resonant speaker, delivering immersive 360-degree audio that envelops your space with warmth and clarity. A unique solution for pet oral care, the Orizi stress-free microcurrent toothbrush provides an innovative way to ensure your pet's teeth stay clean without the typical hassle of traditional brushing. By using gentle microcurrent technology, this toothbrush removes plaque up to 6 times more effectively than a standard brush, offering superior cleaning with minimal effort. Unlike conventional tools, it operates without vibration, noise, or irritation, making it ideal for pets who are sensitive or anxious during oral care routines. The Questyle NHB12 stands as a revolutionary advancement in the world of audio, offering the first ever true lossless earphones for Apple users. Unlike traditional high-end audio setups, the NHB12 uses an innovative audio SiP chip and integrates seamlessly with Apple Music's lossless content to provide an unmatched plug-and-play experience. With its groundbreaking true lossless sound technology, the NHB12 ensures audio fidelity that preserves the essence of the original recording. Styled like elegant jewelry but built with precision audio engineering, these earrings redefine how sound blends with life. Nova's H1 audio earrings bring together craftsmanship and patented directional sound technology in a seamless, non-intrusive way. Rather than blocking your ears, these out-of-ear wearables funnel audio through acoustic chambers built inside real freshwater pearls, aiming sound directly toward your ear without disturbing the space around you. Effortless wine enjoyment begins with the Hato electric wine opener, a sleek, battery-operated tool designed to enhance every wine experience. With the press of a button, this automatic bottle opener swiftly removes corks in just 10 seconds, offering a smooth, uninterrupted flow from bottle to glass. Capable of uncorking over 170 bottles on a single charge, it combines convenience with efficiency, making it perfect for regular use or large gatherings. Built to meet the highest standards of everyday durability, this bottle isn't just a container. It's an engineered shield for your drinks. Crafted from 316 stainless steel, the S+ Pure Thermos keeps content secure, fresh, and at the ideal temperature for hours. Whether you're navigating daily commutes or tackling rugged trails, its rugged, corrosion-resistant body stands up to constant use in harsh conditions without leaching any flavor or harmful residue. Clean air isn't a luxury, it's a daily need. The Quare Plasma Go delivers just that, packing a full-feature purification system into a sleek, go-anywhere form. This isn't just a filter, it's a full-scale defense system against toxins, bacteria, and airborne contaminants. At its core lies the advanced Germagic HEPA 13 filter, engineered to trap particles as small as 0.3 microns. Where most purifiers stop at filtration, the Plasma Go goes further with toxin-killing plasma ion technology. Designed to perform in unforgiving environments, the Dell Latitude 7230 rugged tablet is engineered for professionals who demand reliability without compromise. This 12-inch tablet is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240U vPro processor, delivering responsive multitasking and efficient power use. Running Windows 11 Pro, it offers enterprise-grade security and performance, while the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics support smooth visuals and clear imaging for fieldworker diagnostics. Set your audio free with the power to transform everyday surfaces into rich, resonant speakers. Godal redefines what portable sound means, packing a full-range vibration speaker into one of the smallest footprints available. Rather than relying on traditional cones or drivers, Godal uses advanced vibration sound transfer technology, channeling sound waves through wood, glass, metal, or plastic to fill your space with immersive 360-degree audio. Withings Omnia is a groundbreaking health technology concept that represents the next step in personal health monitoring. Designed for CES, Omnia integrates a variety of Withings devices to offer a comprehensive 360-degree view of your health. It connects seamlessly with smart scales, blood pressure monitors, and sleep analyzers, consolidating data from these sources to provide a unified health snapshot. The MindLax sleeping mat offers a groundbreaking approach to rest and relaxation, integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. Its innovative sound wave massage system, grounded in Nobel Prize-winning research, delivers soothing vibrations that help reduce stress and promote deep, restorative sleep. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, improve your meditation practice, or simply take a quick nap, this mat provides a calming environment tailored to your needs. When stiffness locks up your knees after a long day or your joints ache from old injuries, relief shouldn't take hours. This innovative 3-in-1 therapy device targets knee discomfort fast, combining deep tissue air compression, penetrating infrared light, and customizable heat therapy. In less than 15 minutes, the unit works through layers of tension, encouraging blood flow and reducing inflammation where it hurts most. The design wraps comfortably around your knee using soft massage airbags that mimic gentle kneading to stimulate surrounding muscles and ligaments. Cradled in midair, suspended by invisible forces, this smart moon lamp by Ginkgo redefines the art of illumination. Anchored by a solid American walnut base, its weightless glow mimics the quiet grandeur of the full moon, rotating gently as if tugged by celestial rhythms. A blend of design and innovation, the lamp uses precision magnets to hover with flawless balance. No strings, no tricks, just magnetic levitation at its finest. Plug in and unlock a dynamic layer of productivity with a streamlined one-cable secondary screen designed for precision and flexibility. Measuring just under 7 inches diagonally, this compact device enhances your workflow whether you're monitoring stocks, tracking news, or staying on top of real-time trends. It integrates seamlessly into any desk setup, using a single USB-C connection for both power and data transfer. For outdoor enthusiasts, comfort on the trail is paramount. After a long day of adventure, the last thing you want is to lose sleep on an uncomfortable setup. Unfortunately, many camping solutions often come with trade-offs in either weight or comfort, leaving backpackers with a frustrating dilemma. The Haven Spectre changes that. It offers a sleep experience that balances comfort with weight savings, giving backpackers a lightweight yet cozy option. Elevate your outdoor comfort with the Sitbacks Bleacher Seat, designed to make every event more enjoyable. Whether you're cheering from the bleachers or relaxing at a concert, this seat offers premium cushioning and back support to alleviate pressure during long periods of sitting. The high-density foam padding ensures lasting comfort, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay focused on the action. Weighing only 12.5 pounds, the Sitbacks is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport. Born from centuries of refinement in elite oral care, this tool reshapes modern hygiene with ancient precision. Forged from Yugi, a revered copper alloy used by traditional artisans, this tongue scraper ensures a clean, refreshed mouth every time. At 5.9 inches long and precision curved for optimal reach, it gently sweeps away buildup, revitalizing your breath and restoring balance to your oral ecosystem. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted, designed with purpose and respect for time-honored wellness rituals. Imagine turning your workspace into a command center. One hub, total control. The DocCase Studio Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1 isn't just an accessory, it's a professional upgrade built for power users who demand speed and clarity. Up front, a vibrant touchscreen gives real-time insight into power delivery, data transfers, and device activity because control should be visual. Dual CF Express Type A and Type B card slots make it a photographer's dream, reading massive files in seconds. Revolutionize your fitness journey with a cutting-edge home gym that offers personalized training like no other. This smart home gym takes the guesswork out of exercise, automatically adjusting the resistance to match your strength levels and helping you progress at your own pace. With a comprehensive range of expert-led workouts from strength training to yoga, mobility, and high-intensity interval training, you have everything you need to build a versatile fitness routine. A modern solution for ambient lighting, the Hemela C05 redefines convenience and elegance in a compact form. This wireless wall sconce blends practical features with minimalist design to enhance any room without the hassle of cords or permanent wiring. Built with a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery and certified for safety, it delivers reliable, long-lasting illumination, perfect for daily use without constant recharging. Soft light flickers like a fireplace glow while cool mist drifts gently through the air. This is the calm delivered by the Air-Ethereal Ultrasonic Flame Diffuser. Designed to elevate your indoor atmosphere, this diffuser mimics the look of a glowing flame using warm LED lights and ultra-fine nano mist. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and let the air around you transform. Cleaner, more fragrant, and easier to breathe. Achieve cafe-quality drinks with ease using this innovative milk frother. Designed for those who appreciate the finer details of a perfect latte or cappuccino, it creates smooth, velvety microfoam that elevates your beverages. With a generous 15 ounces capacity, it easily accommodates multiple servings, making it ideal for both single cups or larger family gatherings. The Unitree Go-To is an advanced robot dog that blends cutting-edge technology with remarkable agility. Designed for both novice and experienced robot enthusiasts, the Go-To offers a wide range of capabilities tailored to various skill levels. The Go-To Air model is ideal for beginners, with basic movements such as walking and running, while the Go-To Pro model is more sophisticated, featuring additional advanced gaits and increased challenge for enthusiasts seeking a deeper experience. The Bartner redefines your approach to fitness by providing an advanced solution for perfecting your form and optimizing your workout experience. With its custom distance and angle guidelines, it elevates exercises like deadlifts and push-ups, helping you isolate key muscles more effectively. By tracking your posture and alignment, the Bartner ensures you maximize the benefits of every movement, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing your progress. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leany PixCut S1 merges three essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest. The Birdster 2.5K HD Smart Bird Feeder with camera offers a revolutionary approach to birdwatching. Combining technology and nature, this solar-powered feeder boasts advanced AI capabilities, identifying over 12,000 bird species with exceptional accuracy. The camera, with 2.5K HD resolution, captures stunning footage of your feathered visitors, providing a clear and vibrant view of every detail. Equipped with auto motion detection, it ensures you never miss a moment.